When I really decided to go into an environmental direction was I took a summer field class. On one of our field trips, we put a seine in a stream and just kicked up a whole bunch of stuff, and there were like 20 species of fish and probably 50 species of bugs, and they were flipping and crawling around, and there were just so many different kinds, and they were so beautiful, and I just thought, I think that this is maybe what I should learn more about. One of the reasons to become an environmental science major is that there's a big demand out there for people with technical skills in environmental work. We have a really strong science-based program, and that gives students an opportunity to learn a lot of great skills. I think it's a great field to work in. If you have any interest in the outdoors, you get to do work that you love and get paid and feel like you're making a difference at the same time. Two big strengths of Eastern's environmental science program. First of all, it is an environmental science program and not an environmental studies program. And so it emphasizes the basic sciences, biology, chemistry, and geology, and provides students with a really good background in those, as well as specific technical skills. And I think both of those give excellent tools, either for research or for finding work in environmental science fields. So that's one reason. Another strength of Eastern is that we have a lot of field classes. And in biology, we have a lot of natural history classes where you really learn a lot about specific groups of organisms and get to work with them and study them in the field, like ornithology, freshwater invertebrates, field botany, mycology, mammalogy. There's just a real ichthyology, a real strength and diversity of those classes at Eastern compared to a lot of local schools and certainly other schools Eastern's size. A lot of our students do go on to work for environmental consulting companies doing various kinds of sampling and assessment. We also have a lot of students who go on to work for federal, state, local, tribal agencies like the Washington Department of Ecology or U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service. Those are probably the biggest two types of employers for folks getting an environmental science major at Eastern, but there are certainly many other options as well. Also, lots of our students go on to do graduate work. My favorite part about environmental science is how learning about environmental science can help people sort of develop a different understanding of the world. That we all live surrounded by this global system. Things are moving through the water and through the air, and a lot of them are invisible to us, but they affect our lives and they're going to affect our future. And I think really learning how they work kind of transforms how a person sort of sees the world around them.